Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the e-commerce website project. So this is the project folder. Let's open it, and this is the complete project folder, and these all are the files for the project support. And let's open the Visual Studio Code.
Because in VS Code you will be able to get the proper workshop kind of view of project. Okay, so what you can do, you can download VS Code and then you can go to file, then you can go to open folder, and then you have to select the unzip folder. Whatever place you have unzip the particular folder, you have to go there and you have to select like this. Okay, and then it will open the particular project into VS Code. Okay, like this. And to run the project, what you have to do, then you have to again go back to your project folder, and here you have to open CMD. You have to select the path. You have to remove the path. You have to type CMD and you have to hit enter, and it will give you the terminal. Here you have to type one command, Python manage.py run server. You have to type as it is. Okay, and you have to type this command in this path only. Okay, inside the this templates folder. Okay, and you have to hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will load up the libraries and all templates. And once the loading complete, uh, all the models loading complete, it will give you the URL like this. Okay, and then you can you can go to any browser, like you can go to any browser, like suppose I'm going to this, and you have to type the link as it is. Okay, you have with this port number colon and as it is you have to type. Okay, and then you will get the this particular uh, module. Okay, so basically there are two modules in our project. First one is admin module. Okay, so first let's go to the admin. Okay, so for login as an admin, you have to type this credential admin@gmail.com, and password is also admin. Okay, and then you have to go to login. Once you go login, then you will get this particular dashboard for the admin. Okay, so first here you can check customers. Here is the customer tag. So here you will be able to check the list of customer. You can delete and edit the same. Similarly, bookings, there is a booking section, like whatever user has placed the order, you will be get it here. Okay, and suppose you want to update the status, suppose I want to update the status of this particular order. Okay, then you can click to edit and you can update the status, like whether it is delivered, whether the order is confirmed, or whatever status you want to update, you can update. Okay, suppose right now this order is delivered. Okay, so you can set delivered and you can update, and if you want to remove the order, you can also delete it. Okay, similarly you can go to product section and you will be able to get the list of products. Okay, similarly in the feedback you will be able to get the all list of feedbacks by user. Okay, and suppose you want to add new product, you can go to product section, and in the bottom right there is a plus icon. You have to click here. You have to type the product name. Suppose I want to add mobile phone, Redmi or iPhone. Okay, I want to add iPhone. Suppose I want to add this iPhone. You can download the image, that particular image. You can save the image. Okay, like this. But you have to make sure the extension should be PNG, JPG. See, it should be image format. Okay, not WebP or something. Okay, it should be image. And you can copy the content. Okay, you can paste the description, and you can type it. You can mention the price. Okay, and then you can choose the image, whatever image you want to set as a product image. You can go to download and let me select the image, and then you can click to add. Okay, so like that you can add a product, or you can delete or remove or edit it. Okay, like this. So this is our admin panel. Okay, this is a dashboard, so here you can get the statistics. Okay, so like that. So this is admin dashboard. Similarly, you can go to user section, do the logout, and for the user section you need to do a sign up. Okay, so you can fill up this form, you can do the sign up. Okay, once you're done with the sign up, then you can go to login section, and then you can put your credential, and then you can go and you can do the login. Okay, and then whatever generally we do in e-commerce, we can do the same. Okay, suppose I want to buy this, then I have to do the add-in card. Okay, and then I can go to my card section, and then here I can make the purchase. It will give me the total amount as well. Okay, suppose I want to add this as well, camera as well, so you can add the camera too. Okay, and then you can go to cart section, and then you can get the bill, and then you can go to click purchase, and then here you can mention the some your email id or your address, and then you can go to process pay. You can put your random number, just random number, and you can click pay. Okay, you don't have to put your real cards. Okay, you don't card information, because that is fake payment gateway. Okay, and in the view order you will be able to get the status. What is the status of your order. Okay, just like just right now we have ordered two items, right? This is one, this is the second one. So you can see the order is right now in pending. If I update the status from admin panel, then it will change. Okay, just like I have updated this status of this particular order as a delivered, so it is showing me delivered. Okay, and if I click to download invoice, I can see the invoice as well. Okay, so it's a complete e-commerce platform. Okay, and and suppose you want to send some feedback, you can set the feedback. Okay, like that. Okay, so 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 we have implemented this particular platforms. Okay, with this e-commerce platform with these two modules. Okay, two main user types. Okay, there are a bunch of modules are there, like card, sign up, order history, etc., etc., but mainly there are two main user roles. So this is a project uh, demonstration which you have to follow for the while demonstrating. Okay, so now let's talk about the technical part. Okay, for the technical part, see, there is no such rocket science in this particular technical thing. Okay, because it's very simple web application with the Django framework. So for front there is no such any algorithm or complex machine learning thing is there. Okay, there is only one thing is there, recommendation. Suppose if you search some word. Okay, if you do the searching. Okay, so we have implemented one recommendation model here. So whatever thing you will be search here. Okay, it will recommend the product accordingly. Whatever keywords you will search, it will do the recommendation. We have used this content based filtering, which is basically includes in machine learning part. Okay, so you can also say we have also implemented machine learning content based filtering. Okay, so for front end, basically we have used normal HTML, CSS as we discussed, right? And for the backend language, for the language, we have used Python language, correct? And for the framework, I believe you are aware with Django framework. And for the DB, we have database, we have used SQLite, right? SQLite database. And for the algorithm part, you can say you have used content based filtering algorithm. Okay, so it basically based on content. Suppose our product name is a content and database available, suppose there are list of products, right? All product list, so all product list names. Okay, this will be our content, right? And whatever keywords we are searching, keywords. Okay, so what it will do, it will go to all product name, and it will look for the similarity, like whatever similar keywords are there in this product name, it will take it as a uh, recommended product. Okay, and it will show you like this. So this is the uh, main idea behind the content based filtering. Okay, so now let's go to the code part. Okay, product folder structure. So this is the main folder structure. Okay, this is the SQLite DB. To open this SQLite DB, you can download the extension. Okay, in the extension you can download, search some SQLite DB viewer. Okay, and you can do the install, and you will be able to, you there is bunch of extensions are available, and then you will be able to get the this table. Okay, and here also you will be able to see the table information, like this is the order table, this is the feedback table, right, this is the customer table. So here you can get the list as well. Okay, and there is a manage.py file is there, is the main file. Okay, so basically the architecture which Django follows, basically Django follows MVC architecture. MVC, model view controller. Models means what? Models means our database or database tables, whatever tables we have, like customer table we have, feedback order table we have, right? Controller means which will control. View means our front end part. Our HTML CSS will be our view, right? And with the, I will tell you how we have interacted with the view part with our Python code. And controller is something which will control. Okay, control means what? See, this is the right now I am at home page, right? So here you can see this, there is a context, home, customer home context is there, right? Similarly, if I go to profile section and it got changed to my profile, right? And similarly, if I go to a card section, it got changed to card, right? So this is called root. Okay, so this all roots we have to define inside this controller. Okay, so where is the controller? If you go to your project folder, so there are two main folders are there, right? E-commerce and e-commerce, e-com, right? So e-commerce, in the e-commerce there is the url file is there. Okay, so this is the controller. Okay, this is the controller. So if you see here, we have a root map all the uh, backend functions. Means what we have mapped, this, see, this is the card, right? So if you check here, there will be cart root will be there. This is called part roots. Okay, see, this is the cart root, right? So whenever you will come to this cart root, so what will happen, it will call this function card view. Okay, so there is a file in this ecom file view, right? Views. So this is the file. So what will happen, it is the root which we have created. So whenever it will come, it will call this card view function. And in this view function, what we have done, we have done the all what you can say, we have done all the pre-processing. Pre-processing means, suppose you have typed some keywords, so you are looking for, if you are, suppose you are type some name or something. Okay, so what here, what exactly we are doing, we are integrating the controller with the view part. Okay, so here you can see, here we are passing the card.html page. Okay, so this is the front end page which we are passing, and inside this what we are doing, we are passing all the products, whatever product user has added. So this is a function which will fetch all the products which user has added. Okay, similarly, like total count, total price we are calculating, right? So like that we are doing the calculation, and we are redirecting and mapping with the front end. Okay, and this is a template folder is there. So in the template folder, all front-end part is there, right? See, this is the card HTML. So this is the code for normal card HTML, and this is the contact, this is the admin. Okay, all HTML code will be available here. Okay, similarly, this is the you see the URL is controller. Okay, views is basically it will map front end and controller. Okay, and there is a model section, model file is there. Okay, so this is the see model. So in the model we have basically mentioned all the database table. So we have customer table, okay, product table, order table, right? And we have mentioned the columns, this will be column, product will be column, email will be column, right? So like that we generally create, basically see, in Django basically it uses ORM tool. Okay, so we no need to write manual queries or etc, right? Everything is automated. So we just need to create a pojo classes for the table, it will create the table accordingly, and it will save data as well, right? How it will save data, see, whenever you do the sign up, suppose there is a sign up route, let me go to sign up route. Sign up route. Where is the sign up route? See, let me go to the sign up route. Let me do the logout. Okay, and let me go to sign up. Okay, so see, customer sign up a route is there. So if I look for the customer sign up, see, this is the customer sign up. So inside this customer sign up function in the view function, what we are doing, we are first getting all the form data. Okay, all the form data from user front end. See, whatever front end a user will add here, okay, it will automatically come inside this user form. Okay, and then we are creating the customer form object, and we are just passing it into, we are just like validating it whether it is proper or not, and we are just saving it. Okay, there is a ORM tool, right? So in the ORM tool, it automatically come up with some predefined methods like to save or to save the form, to get the form, like that. Okay, so what we are doing, we are just saving it. Okay, so like that we are doing. Similarly, in the login section, see, in the login, see the login. Huh. So where is the login function? See, let me go to admin login. Okay, after login, you need to search. Okay, like that. Okay, so let it be login. You can find with your own. Okay, so like this only it is working. Okay, similarly, suppose if you search some product. Okay, if you are searching some product, so what will happen, it will it will call the this function. Okay, it will call this function whenever you will search for a particular product. Okay, so what we are doing, we are just getting the query, and from the database with the content based filtering, we are just filtering the products. We are fetching all the products, and we are applying the filter. Okay, if keyword got match with the product name, then it will add as a product, recommend product, otherwise not. Okay, so like that it is working. Okay, so generally we do have this kind of architecture. Okay, and this admin, these apps, it automatically this all files are like a Django files. Okay, I suggest do some research key what is Django, how to create a Django project with your own. You will have a better understanding. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.